So this is a super innovative feature here from the Lelit site that's using the Tolstoy video app. So it's kind of like an embedded TikTok experience, even how you navigate through the videos. Yeah, so you can see it's this more Gen Z style shopping experience that TikTok Shop is gonna only amplify. So it's very cool to see it embedded on a page, but the question on everyone's mind is how is this impacting performance?
Yeah, not bad in this case. One of the first tests I'll usually look for something like this is, since this isn't the primary component on the page, is it impacting the performance of the main content? Basically, I would call this secondary content. Is it impacting the primary content? So one way to tell is with a clear cache, we'll refresh the page with a really choked network and see, do we start seeing this content before the main content, or is it treated as secondary? And so we get the main hero of the PDP showing up, and then the video comes in later. That's great. One thing I would look out for on a page like this is that, let me load this again in a second, and watch this area, and it gets pushed down as this element loads, which will introduce some layout shift. Not a ton in this case, but this add to cart button is going to get pushed below the fold when the content loads. So that's going to increase the CLS score, cumulative layout shift, which is one of the core web vitals metrics. But otherwise, in terms of performance, we took a look a minute ago. It doesn't look like it's a heavy payload. Nothing is highly prioritized above other primary content on the page. So I think it's a good implementation. Yeah, I'm not got nothing to say about this really. It's a good job.